Welcome to Fediboard, the extension that wakes your Flipboard up. After installing Fediboard from your browser store, reload the Flipboard page. The installation panel will appear. Enter your email address. Grab the validation code sent to your email and submit it to the panel. You're now in. Now head to a magazine. Fediboard will start its data collection session, from stories to notifications. Give it 15 to 30 seconds. Voila, you're ready to go. Adjust the width of the panel to your liking. Open or close the panel as you wish. Our next tutorial will explain the content of the Fediboard panel. Till then, happy flipping. Ciao.